Hello students, in our previous class we have studied about the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. Onset means the beginning of monsoon and withdrawal means end of the monsoon. Today we will study about seasons of India. Our India is having monsoon type of climate. Monsoon type of climate means distinct seasonal pattern, means summer are hot and winter are cold. The weather conditions greatly change from one season to other. The weather condition of summer season is different from the weather condition of winter season. These changes are particularly noticeable in the interior part of the country. Interior part means the middle portion of the country. These changes are very extreme. The coastal area, the areas which lies near to the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, experience not much variation in the temperatures, though there is variation in rainfall pattern. How many seasons are experienced in your place? Our India experiences 4 seasons: the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon means starting of monsoon, and the retreating monsoon means end of monsoon, with some regional variation. Now we will study about these seasons in detail. The first is the cold weather season, means winter. The cold weather season begins from mid-November in the northern India and stay till February. December and January are the coldest month in northern part of India. The temperature decreases from south to north. The average temperature of Chennai on the eastern coast is between 24 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, while in the northern plains it ranges between 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. So you can see the difference in temperature in the northern India and in the southern India and northern India. Days are warm and nights are cold. Frost is common in the northern and high slopes of Himalaya. Experience snowfall. High slopes of Himalaya like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. During this season, northeast trade winds prevail over the country. They blow from land to sea, and hence most part of the country it is a dry season. Some amount of rainfall occurs on Tamil Nadu coast from these winds, and here they blow from sea to land. In the northern part of India, a feeble high pressure region develops because in the northern part of country temperature is low. As a result, pressure is high, with light winds moving outward from this area. Influenced by the relief, these winds blow through the Ganga Valley from west and northwest. The weather is normally marked by clear sky, low temperature and low humidity and feeble variable winds. A characteristic feature of the cold weather season over the northern plains is the inflow of cyclonic disturbance from the west and northwest. During the winter season, there is a inflow of cyclonic disturbance from the west over the northern plains. These low pressure systems originate over Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia and move into India along with the western flow. They cause the much needed winter rain over the plains and snowfall in mountains. These western disturbances cause rainfall over the northern plains and snowfall on the mountains. Although The total amount of winter rainfall locally known as Mahavat is small. They are of immense importance for the cultivation of Rabi crops. Rabi crops like wheat. So, the rainfall caused by the winter disturbance are very important in the northern India, some parts of northern India. It is very important for the cultivation of Rabi crops. The peninsular region does not have a well-defined cool season. There is hardly any noticeable seasonal change in temperature pattern during winter due to moderating influence of sea. The peninsular region experiences moderate type of climate. There is not much difference during the winter season and summer season because of the effect of sea and oceans.